OGENDIGBO is 20 years old. Can you believe it? Wow. So we spent the past 26 months going through the archives, going through all the admin, the paperwork, the history to find out what the vision was behind OGENDIGBO, prioritizing time for arts, language and cultural heritage.
Ọ bara n'ihe niile o mere mgbe ochie wee leba anya ihe o mere ime ka ọ hụ na ihe o dere ugbu a bụ ihe o bu n'obi mgbe o bidoro.
He wasn't here, so I had to do a lot of guessing games.
Ọ ebe a ọ ya mere eji eme ọtụtụ ihe ndị a ka ihe niile dị ka o si wee chọọ ya.
And I wanted to put him at the forefront of everything that he done. He already had a logo, but I wanted to make sure that it was perfected and modern. Thank you. 20 years. So 20 years ago, I was a teenager. Had no idea about the infrastructure of such an organisation. Looking back at the paperwork, it's really incredible to see the journey so far. 20 years ago, when internet wasn't as rampant, there weren't any podcasts.
Onyunna n'onye bụ Maazị Ugochukwu, otu onye n'ime ndị na-akụzi Igbo na Reconcilers.
Unare Porindo n'OGENDIGBO.
Nke a bụ ụbọchị igwe na-ekwu okwu nke ụwa. Radio n'okwu Igbo bụ igwe na-ekwu okwu ma ọ bụ igwe eji esisa akụkọ ụwa.
Kọrọ na aka. Ọzọkwa.
Radio has played a very important role in the journey of OGENDIGBO so far. Come, let's have a look back and see what Mazi has to say about broadcasting Igbo cultural heritage.
Right, I used to be a presenter, preacher on many local radio stations, and I used to travel long distances with my bags of CDs and so on, and I went to various radio stations that were available at that time. And as God would have it, I got a hint of how to set up an internet radio station. At that time, internet radio station was not so popular and rampant as it is at this moment. So it's amazing because before, when it started, people were skeptical. I was also skeptical. And at that time, people, when you hear internet radio and hear TV, many people are more interested in TV than radio. But the way things are moving so fast, internet radio is becoming, it's coming to its own.
Yeah.
And people are now going to the internet more than they're going to TV. But they don't know how to download apps and they don't know what apps are.
Sure.
So we are gradually, at every meeting and every time we're on the air, explaining to people how to download TuneIn, for example. And once they get to how to download it, it becomes a habit. They want to listen to radio all the time.
There weren't MacBooks and computers like that, and people were faxing each other and sending emails and sending text messages and Bluetooth and infrared, and so much was accomplished during that time. I'm proud to be part of such a legacy and to go into the archives and see the work of a visionary and see what he had planned to do, the amount of people he connected with, the amount of public relations involved, the amount of research, history to make sure certain projects came to life. For me, that's something great to be associated with, something great to be involved in. And what I've come to see is that we don't get to choose, we are chosen. And this is the great thing about legacy. It's in your DNA. I'm really excited now that we're at ground zero. What I've really enjoyed so far is going into the community and rebuilding those relationships with the people who made OGENDIGBO what it is today.
Okay.
That's good. Are you everyone in it? Can I go in the building?
The elders in the community. So guys, I'm here today with Lady Susan Ezeji. Prepare for the weekend, I'm jealous. The women in the community. We're at the Nigerian High Commission with Ohaneze and the President. Want to say hi?
Hello! Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you, as elected today officially, the women leader of OGENDIGBO UK and Ireland and Europe, Lady Adego.
The new elected woman leader, Ohaneze. This is all for advertisement.
Princess Ifem.
Ready to go.
I'm looking for him.
He's about to go down now. Let's go.
The men.
Guys. Wow, OGENDIGBO.
He's the founder of Alpha Print on Jamaica Road.
Wow, very excited. It's an exciting moment.
Bye.
Bye.
He's been an inspiration among the children, and he's a reverend. He opened a computer school. He did quite well. It's all good memories.
Everybody come and hold my, this is, oh my God, this is beautiful, oh my God. Come, oh, you taking a picture?
Yeah. I'll videoing. No, don't.
You're proud of
1, 2, 3.
I'm filming Uncle so that he doesn't get angry with me. Yeah, I'm recording it. So we came today for the Airpiece launch of the London to Lagos flight. Derek, say hi.
Here we are, hello.
And we're representing
OGENDIGBO.
UK and Ireland.
Everyone.
And the Chiefs Imo. I'm for the Bongo Festival. If you are not there,
Star Hut Promotions Bongo Music Festival.
The youth. There are so many things I've had to find out along the way because people in the community told me about Mazi, told me about their relationship with him and what he intended to do. And then going back and seeing the paperwork and relaying those back to back.
We are here at the Festival of Igbo Arts and Culture.
And the thing about this is that though this is going on a gospel radio station, Igbo people are well known to be connected with the Jewish people, actually. If you can correct me, yes, if I'm wrong.
What can we do? When you talk about the disconnect between the elders and the young ones, it is the responsibility of the elders to teach the young one the true culture of our people. Manasena ekwu ano na-egbu nwata, afu ekwu na-egbu okenye. The great philosophy of Igbo land, the grand philosophy of Igbo land, is that na eziokwu bondo. Truth is the fundamental of which the Igbo society is built. Ụmụaka Igbo ne ke ma nwere ike ịsụ Igbo, sụọ ya with atụtụ inu, the proverbs of our people. The proverb encompasses the philosophy, the belief system of our society. Asị na nwatakịrị etoro eto wara ọgọdọ eburu ya. Nsịkọ sị na ndị mmụọ chọrọ iji ọkụ legbuo ụwa, ya pụta were aka jide ụwa. So we need elders that will come out and stand in the gap and hold Igbo culture with their two hands and protect our culture.
How? Na ihe eji echecha mmadụ bụ ololo.
3, 4, 4.
In fact, most of the people that have come recently who have started lessons started by just Googling Igbo teacher.
Yes.
And it's a shock to me because you put all these small things on the internet, you don't know how much effect they are. Two people have just Googled Igbo teacher and my name comes up first.
Excellent.
And I really appreciate that. And I am passionate about it.
Yes.
How?
Onyeisi Oka bụ Reverend Vincent Onwukanjo.
And now we're at ground zero. We've gone all the way back into the bottom to find out what the history was.
See, Hear, Speak Igbo, Volume 1. Igbo Language Absolute Beginner Series by Dr. Vince Amechi Onwukanjo. Igbo Alphabets. Mkpụrụokwu Igbo.
And now we're ready to go forward. And there's so much to look forward to. And I'm really, really excited. And I thank you all for being patient, for being supportive.
It's been a long day, guys.
Oh my God.
Rafael Chidozie Onyenkwere.
Perfect.
So I'm excited and I look forward to working with you guys, to collaborating and to doing more exciting things in the future.
Oh, no website mentioned?
What did we do again? OGENDIGBO.com.
OGENDIGBO.com.
Yeah. To say something like, you can find us online or you can follow me on Instagram or Facebook. No, let's stick to Facebook and website because Facebook has 2,000.
Okay. What do they do on Facebook? Join us, friends?
Because it's a live page.
Like us on...
Yeah.
If you're on Facebook, type in OGENDIGBO and don't forget to like us.
But let's have a word from the co-founder, Mrs. Ogoma Onwukanjo.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mrs. Ogoma Onwukanjo.
Aha m bụ Ogoma Onwukanjo, otu onye n'ime ndị na-akụzi Igbo na Reconcilers.
The wife of Mazi Ugochukwu.
Otu onye n'ime ndị na-akụzi Igbo.
Ogенdigbo na Empower Radio 103.8 FM.
Ụbọchị na-agbakwa ọsọ. Ugbu a bụ ncheta nke afọ 20 oge ndị Igbo bidoro. Ana m aṅụrị ọṅụ na adị m ndụ hụ na ọ bụ ihe na-aga n'ihu ruo ugbu a. Na-ekelekwa ka ha bụ ndị bịara ihe aka ịhụ na oge ndị Igbo gara nke ọma sitere n'afọ ole gara aga mgbe anyị nọ na Empower Radio na-eme ka ndị Igbo a matakwa na ọ dị mkpa na ụmụ ha ga-asụ okwu ala anyị n'ihi na ọ dị ka ọtụtụ ụmụ amụ n'obodo adịghị ekwu okwu ala anyị. Mgbe anyị bidoro ihe ndị a, ọtụtụ ụmụ okorobịa na-abịa ebe a, ụmụ agbọghọbịa na-abịa ebe a, ndị obere nwa na-abịa ebe a, ndị ọcha lụrụ ụmụ ndị Igbo na-abịakwa na-asụ asụsụ Igbo n'ihi na Igbo amaka. Ndewo.
N'ihugo nke na-eme.
Ebe nke a na-emekwa.
O wozuru ụwa ọnụ.
N'ebe.
Ọ n'obodo anyị o, ọ n'obodo oyibo.
Ndị be anyị a na-ekwu ekwu, a na-eme eme. Let's talk. Let's do it. This is the time for us to do it. Ma ndị na-achọ ịga n'ọrụ nke ha, ma ndị nọ na Naịjirịa, ịchọkwa ịnọ na nke gị, ị ga-ejiriri okwu Igbo gaa nọrọ na nke gị, mara na ịbụ n'ala Igbo ka ị nọ. Let's pass this language on to our children, on to posterity.
What was it? How do you say it again? For my pronunciation, because obviously for me and my Obero gang.
Nkeneme, you can just say Nkeneme.
Nkeneme.
Inugo Nkeneme.
Inugo Nkeneme. That means, did you hear that gist? Have you heard what's happening? So Inugo Nkeneme.
Inugo Nkeneme.
Inugo Nkeneme. Oziruwono. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Did I do well, guys?
Yes.
And then how do you say clap for her again?
Huh?
Ozokwa.
Ozokwa.
How do you say clap for her?
Oh.
Koreaka. And then.
Koreaka.
Then clap for me then. Mum. Dun 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 dun. Ozokwa.
Maybe we think they wouldn't understand. They do understand. Only when we consistently speak it to them is when we realize that they are all understanding it. So these are the things we look at and see how we can encourage our children, especially those who are born in this country, who are faced with so many cultural backgrounds. But in our own language, we have to let them know it and speak it and enjoy it, and they will have confidence in themselves when they come together and speak their language. Other people will not understand it, but they will know what they are saying, and they will learn it, enjoy it, and pass it on to the younger generation. I encourage all of us, including me, to get the children to learn our language. It's a heritage that we cannot drop. My fellow women, my husbands, our husbands, can we join together to speak our language to our children so that they will carry it from now on, and it will be a thing that we will all enjoy. And we speak it gently and repeat what we are saying and explain it in a simple terms for them to actually understand it and learn it, because most of the time what they learn is when we say something that is not like good. When we tell them off, we just say something like Iboni Iberibe. Then they will be. My daughter said to me, "Mom, now I knew what you are saying. I thought you said I'm stupid, but you said, am I stupid? Which means I am not, but I'm acting like I am." So when we speak these languages, but I encourage us not to speak the wrong ones. Let's encourage them to learn the right language as the Igbo language, and for us to enjoy it together. Looking back, I could see that there are so many things I didn't do that I should be doing now, though they are grown and are craving to learn the language. is to speak to them when they come around in my language to get them to understand it, because if I give up on them, they will not learn it from anywhere. So I am trying. Even the younger one, the grandchildren, they come around, I teach them Igbo. And when they come, when I say Kedu, they will just fluently say Odima. And they sing Igbo songs because I'm a singer.
I can never fail.
And when they come in, I teach them simple ones they will learn, and they never forgot when they come home. Slowly, gently, and let them understand, and they will enjoy it. They will not regret it.
What are the 3 ways to say bye in Igbo?
These are 3 ways we say bye to our people in Igbo language. Kemesia, Kode, Nadu Nkoma, Ngwara Kode. They wouldn't. Young people and children, keep it up and keep learning. It will be of good to you. You will enjoy it. Thank you. Kemesianu. Bye bye. Nadu Nkoma. Yano.
Binaga ije kele na zue asondu 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 Binaga ije kele na zue asondu na Dubayo Binaga ije na Dubayo Binaga ije na Dubayo Binaga ije
Chinenye kedu?
Odoma.
Ebe ka isi na-abịa ugbu a?
Esi na East London.
Ihe anyị mụrụ na class n'izu ụka gara aga. Ana m eri nri is in the present. What is the future and the past?
Obu aga m eri nri na eriri m nri.
Kọrọ na aka.
Thank you. Taking old techniques and bringing them to the future and making something really, really strong and sets a good example for our culture and our people. But come down yourself and check it out. Right? I hope to see you there. Take care.